Hi Gemini, this is your next 7 days reading. I'm going to look at the cards that are in front of me. I have taken some time to take out your cards, pray, and then take out the clarifications to understand what's coming to you from the 20th to the 27th of this week, which is coming for you. What energies will be around you, how you are going to harness these energies or leave out some energies, how you should go about it. I'm going to talk about that. So there are some predictions, there are some words of guidance here. So this is for the sun sign, moon sign, rising sign of Gemini. So around you in this time period in your environment is the world card, very good card to come for you. This means that you are in unity with people around you, you are in unity with the situations around you. You have come a long way. Maybe you are completing some cycles in your life, or your close ones are completing cycles. Someone is graduating in your house, someone is getting married, you are reaching an age of marriage, or you are getting engaged, you are going for a travel, you are going towards distant horizons, you are going from one place to the other, relocating from living someplace and then changing your location. So whatever it is, it could be connected to new travels that are coming for you. So there is a situation of the lovers can be also identifier of you, Gemini. So the lovers and the king of wands is telling me that you are going to take those people along who are near and dear ones to you. You are going to think about them, you are going to go towards an inspired action that is going to benefit you and your family, your close people, or your organization, whatever it is. This is an energy which is asking you to look after and be in unison with people around you. So this world card is going to be the main important energy this week, and it is connected to travels, it is connected to completion of projects, it is connected to changing from being employed to self-employment for some of you. So the king of wands energy is giving you a free reign, it is giving you an independence, it is giving you a direction of emerging as the bigger person, the hero in your environment. And with the lovers, you are going to make harmonious choices for yourself and others. You could be dealing with a Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy in your life. This person is coming in this time period with the Knight of Wands energy, or this means that an opportunity has come to you, it is knocking at your door. You are showing determination, and you are going to, with the Knight of Wands, you are going to switch your gears and move forward. You are going to pursue some passion. So what is ending in your life is sadness or apathy in this time period. So there is the presence of Five of Cups as clarification, and Four of Cups, and then the Death card. So these are clarifications of Knight of Wands and the Queen of Wands energy. So this means that a situation is changing, so there is a big transformation taking place in your life. So the world card also signifies the transformation. It is about changing of worlds. This is about like a long reigning situation coming to an end, and you are stepping into a new situation for yourself, or a new space in this time period, and that is a big achievement. So it is connected with a big achievement. And with the Death card, the old is finishing. Some situations that were giving you apathy, that was giving you some kind of downer energy, is not, you could be feeling that no, it is not going to happen, and you were also sad about a certain thing, maybe a it is a misinterpreted energy, it could be illusory energy, it could be sadness of the past, it could be some rejections, or some things which plagued you in your your life, that is transforming in this time period. So whatever has been reigning for a long time, it is changing. So it's changing with your own energy. You are going to be in the Queen of Swords energy. So the Queen of Swords energy is a very strict energy. This energy is creating proper boundaries with uh, negative situations. This energy is about being smart in life. This is about being a person who looks at the long term and makes decision. So whatever the flux that you have been going through, the difficulties, or the whenever there is a change, there is a problem for us, but this change is necessary. So you have been going through Five of Swords, Five of Cups. So these are the agents of change. So if we do not have sadness in our life, if we do not have sorrow, if we do not have failures, if we do not have betrayals in our life, nothing will change. We will remain in one perfect situation. But to grow, we have to have these flux energy. So you will be going through, or you have already gone through these energies which were downers. Now with the Eight of Pentacles, you are going to concentrate on embracing the new. You are going to concentrate on making an effort to embrace this new energy to move forward. So whether it is your personal or whether it is your professional life, you are going to make an effort. That is what I am seeing. And the Queen of Swords energy and the Eight of Pentacles energy is about changes from the past, completion of a past cycle, and moving to embrace a new situation where you are making effort, because you have a long-term view and you are very sharp and you are shrewd about your situation. So this is your overall energy this week. What is happening in your career situation is that with the Ten of Swords and the Ten of Cups, a quick ending is taking place, and the ending, which was good, bad, sad, good, bad and ugly, is coming with a wish fulfillment and benefit for all. So this can be a new job, this can be a promotion, this can be some appreciation, this can be movement to a direction that was your dream. So with the Ace of Pentacles, a new job situation, new offer, new proposal is coming in. You need time to think. You need time to think with the Hermit energy. So basically you will be tapping into your own wisdom to accept a new situation with ending of an old one. And this new situation is all about a great start with successful completion of one which was good, bad and ugly. But a new situation is showing promise, and it could be a long dreamt of situation. With the world clarifying all this, what I feel is this is going to bring in an upgrade in your career situation, a movement, a relocation, and a change of organization or change of profession for many of you. So in terms of your love, there is also a new path. So the Fool card is here. This is telling me that after selection, rejection, trials and tribulations, with the Eight of Swords, you were in a fearful, self-doubting energy in terms of your love. There is a possibility of a leap of new faith, leap towards a new faith, leap towards a new person. This could be a Page of Pentacles coming in, an information coming in Hindi, a rishta coming, or a proposal coming in, a proposal in the air which will be communicated to you, and that is going to bring lot of happiness, clarity, upgrade, recognition, and joy and happiness is coming. That is what I see in love. But you have to cross over from your illusory Eight of Swords energy. You are too much in your mind regarding something. So express your love. Express your love by go ahead and make the romantic gesture. forgiving and learning. If you are going through some difficulties with your lover or your partner, as you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moment. So there is going to be forgiving and learning for some of you. Some of you are getting into this new energies of moving towards a new person and taking that leap of faith with the engagement card. So your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. So you have gone through your share of troubles in your love, but right now in the present moment things are going to improve, things are going to fructify into a stable situation in love, and also in your career a new transformation is happening, and the new world is going to be great because there is going to be an upgrade. In terms of your health, with the Ace of Cups, you are going to feel better. You are going to enjoy this new vigor, new health. You could be looking after your health in this time period. So your outcome, Gemini, in this time period is the Nine of Cups. So Nine of Cups is your outcome. Wish fulfillment this week. This week is promising a situation which you have wished for. So wish for the correct thing. You are going to get your wishes come to you. Some fulfillment coming to you. Some of you are moving towards a soulmate or a past person. There could be breakthroughs in life with the new options coming to you. So the past and the present are giving you many options, and that is going to give you your Nine of Cups. That is going to give you your wish fulfillment. And with the Ten of Pentacles and Justice, something good is also arriving for you in terms of your long-term marriage, long-term health, long-term money, finance, career, and your family. Something good is coming in with the Justice card. So long awaited results, stability, balance in your money, finance, or any long term situation is going to see a balance. It is going to see justice. Karma justice could be coming to you, and contract regarding property, big financial situations will be signed in this time period. So there is a possibility of change in your life with the transfer card. This is the change card. This is coming for you. Pathway is opening maybe after a 2 years or so period, or you have to wait for some time for a new situation to open up, but you will hear the good news. With the judication card, some of you are going towards counseling, some of you are getting advice, some of you will be taking advice this week regarding health or regarding your financial situation or regarding love. There is going to be two sides and one in between who will give you advice. Someone is giving advice. So a wealthy man could be around you. Some of you are dealing with a wealthy man who could be supporting you in this time period, but there is a false person with whom you have some despair. So there is this energy as well, stealing, lying, cheating energy. That had caused you some sorrow, but and that is causing you that mental illusory situation of this anxiety or fear. But in this time period you are going to strictly follow your boundaries. You are going to make yourself safe, and you are going to move forward, and you are turning into a new leaf, stepping into a new zone in this time period, Gemini. So if you have liked this reading, please like, share and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through difficulties can always contact me for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked and pre-slotted. So you can just write to me through the email ID in the description box, which I mentioned just now, and write one line and I will tell you how to book my readings. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.